Hi everyone, now we are about to finish this list. We are on Graphene now. So we'll be trying to install this Graphene library, and if I go to the README, like I clicked on that link and it takes me to this link. In the installation you have these dependencies. You will also need Python 3, Mason and Ninja. And yeah, let's just clone this repository and try if it works out, okay? Because we have already installed so much. I don't think that there are further dependencies that it needs, okay? But we'll still try. So I'll go to installations folder. I'll clone this repository. Oh, I just need to copy and paste this command. I'll zoom in for you, by the way. I'll go to Graphene. Now I'll just copy these commands. Okay. By the way, all this is trying to do is mason underscore build. It automatically creates this folder and you go to this folder, try to test and install. That's it. Cool. It's not a difficult thing that like I think a lot of you have already seen this. So it completes like this is successful. That means configuration is successful. At least the dependencies have been configured or something like that. So let's go to the folder cd underscore build and let's try to just compile and test. So okay, it will run the tests as well along with compilation. As you can see, 22 tests were okay, expected fail 0, failure 0, unexpected passes. Oh wow, these are great. Okay, so that is done. Now you just do ninja install and that is it. Install it to your global scope and that's it. So it was a very short video, I know, but that's it. So that's it with Graphene. Now in the next video we'll move on to xkpb common, and then after that we'll try and see if we can build GTK from source, and if not, we'll see what dependencies are required. But I really hope that you're on the right way. Take care everyone. Bye bye.